Good morning folks, how we going? Welcome back to the channel. Up at Brockville Terminus here at the moment, and I'm just going to try out my new accessory. You can see, look at my front of my head there, I've got a wee clip on my cap, so I'm going to mount the GoPro on the clip on my hat and have a walk around the bus, see how it goes. Yeah, just it's Friday morning and doing halfway bush and Brockville to St Kilda today until about just after 1 o'clock this afternoon, in Fleet 5013 2017 Volvo B7R Kiwi bus builders, and clearing up to be quite a nice day today actually, even though we're in the middle of winter. But I'm just going to take this off, chuck it on my head, and we'll see how it looks. Talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, let's see how this works. So just looking at the driving area here. So just trying out the head cam. So good comfortable driving position here in these Volvo B7s. We've got the radio there, the reverse cameras and other cameras, different parts of the vehicle there. So I'm just going to do a little walk around. Just going to check the engine. Belts are all nice and tight. I've already checked my oil this morning, so I'm not going to pull that out again. Have a look underneath there, make sure nothing's dripping. No, that's all good. Checking the tyres there.
Yeah, what's happened, Ray? There is a good chance you can help me until
Okay guys, well just trying out the just trying out the helmet cam and or the head cam, so I hope you found that interesting. Different perspective on doing my walk around in the bus. I'm just going to check the seats now as well, make sure nothing's loose. This is just part of our regular safety checks we do throughout the day around the inside and the outside of the bus. Everything seems to be in order. Okay team, well I hope you enjoyed that, something different. I will talk to you again a bit later today hopefully, if not I'll see you next time. But thanks for watching, really appreciate my new subscribers, it's great, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying the channel. So remember to click a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.